Hello, welcome to our new video. In this video, we will show you how to use and create avatar feature in WhatsApp. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp from your mobile phone and click on three dots at top right and click on settings option. Now you have to choose avatar option from the list. Now click on create your avatar option and click on get started option. Here you can choose your favorite skin tone for your avatar and click on next. Here you can choose your favorite hairstyle and click on done option at top right. Select save changes option and click on next. Now you have to click on create profile photo option. Now you can choose your avatar style and background as well. After this you have to click on done at top right. Now you can see that your avatar has been created. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Thank you.